One, action. Hey guys, it's Siggy Shots back here with another video. Smell that? Today we're in a beautiful place in Alaska, and I've got my camera and we're gonna film another how-to, but this time it's for landscape and nature photography. So let's just get right into it. Now remember, you can't be afraid to get a little dirty while out shooting, but there's a great sunset going on right behind me. So I'm just really you can see right in this shot, you see the sun flares coming out of it. It's really it just adds a little bit of pizzazz to the photograph. So right now I'm just scouting around for any type of animals or birds because they actually are pretty fun to photograph. They're near. Oh, that might be one right there. Just a rock. Comment down below if you see any birds. That's good. Smell that? 30 degrees north. Photography is one of the most creative things, I think personally, especially for teenagers. It's such a great way for them to express themselves and let people know about their opinions on the world, really. And when I found photography, I was not a creative kid. I always drew in stick figures, you know. I found photography and I can draw a portrait that looks so realistic, no cap. Out in their element, just really getting creative. It's so nice to see all these young kids just really getting into the sport. So obviously my last video featured on this channel just blew up. I think it was 2 or 3 on trending. I don't know how many views. We'll put up a screenshot. And I also had a lot of amazing people that would actually send me their photos on Instagram to see the work that they could produce with my knowledge. I don't remember what his name was, but he sent a really cool picture, and it was actually of me. And I don't know how he found out where I lived or how he found out where I was, but it looked like he was taking a picture of me through the bushes. It's a bit alarming, but it's actually a really good photo, so cheers to him. I forgot.